why in theory is insurance just such a good idea for horse owners? I mean, but
Yeah.
really for everyone.
Yeah, I think you touched on it briefly in your opening little chat, in that, the last thing on earth you want to do is have a decision around whether your horse is going to get the correct medical treatment being a financial decision. It's, I mean, a scenario where mom and dad don't really know about horses. They don't really ride. They paid 20,000 Rand for a thoroughbred, perhaps off the track, or an older pony. Pony gets colic, goes to the hospital, and the vet says, he needs surgery. You're looking at anything between 60 and 100,000 Rand. And no insurance. You then have to turn around to your child and say, look, sorry, unfortunately, we can't help your pony or your horse because we just simply don't have the financial means. I remember years ago, I had a horse that needed to have, he chipped the cap off his elbow when I was a junior rider. Again, we didn't have insurance. We didn't really have the means to sort of cover him. And we sold the horse box to cover his surgery. He then ended up not actually pulling through the surgery. So we'd kind of lost everything at the end of the day. So yeah, that's the bottom line. A really good reason is to just give your horse the best possible care. At the end of the day, sorry, they do their very best for us most of the time. Most.
I think they always try to do what they think is
that can be debated in another session. And I think it's our responsibility to make sure that we give them the absolute best treatment that we can. It also gives the vets the opportunity to, not skimp on treatment, that if a horse really, really does need something, when they have the security of knowing that the horse is insured, they can then sort of do the full extent of treatment that is actually needed. So yeah, that's the long and short.